On this Republic Day, we celebrate the legacy of our great nation, India, a land of diversity and unity, of rich culture and history, a land where the past and the future come together to create a brighter tomorrow. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the modern era, India has always been a land of innovation and progress. Our glorious past is a testament to the resilience and perseverance of our people. Today, we continue to make strides in technology, science, and industry. We are a nation of dreamers and doers, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. We are also a nation of strength and courage. Our armed forces protect our borders while our athletes inspire us to reach new heights. On this day, we come together as one nation, united in our love for India. We celebrate the spirit of freedom and democracy that defines us as a republic, and we look forward to a bright future where the possibilities are endless. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.